How to crop a video on Android. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily crop a video on Android without any third-party apps. But before we get started, I'd like you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin. First thing you're going to have to do is find the video on your gallery. So here I have a video on my gallery. So what you're going to have to do here is tap on the edit button. As you can see, this is a normal video here. Just going to have to tap on this edit icon right here. And all of the Android phones have built-in editors, so you could find this on your edit button. Now just tap on this crop icon and you'll be able to crop the video according to your choice. So let's say if I just want to cut out this bit right here and just want to view the sunflower field, I'm just going to go ahead and crop it out like so. And you could also change its angle if you want. You could straighten it a bit, change the perspective of it, and after doing all of these edits, you could just tap on save, or you could just save as a copy. So just tap on save as copy and you will have the original video as well as the new cropped video. And once you do that, you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.